Hello there. This video will highlight one of the top 5 business drivers for dynamic data masking. A common IT issue is that analytics users need access to production data to perform accurate business analysis, but they typically do not need access to sensitive data. For example, Paige, our analytics user, is trying to analyze a medication prescribed for different gender and age. When she runs a query to get data for her analysis, she can see also all the sensitive data including name and date of birth. The organization has a policy which states that analytics users should only have access to de-identified sensitive data. Mage Data will create a 3-step process. Who's the policy for? Where does sensitive data reside in schemas, tables, and columns? And what is the protection mechanism? For the first step of the policy, we have a set of users named analytics users. Paige, our analytics user, is selected and included. For the second step of the policy, Mage Data automatically identifies all sensitive data and the locations in the database. And for the third and final step, we can define the protection mechanism as masking. Once the policy is authored, it is published. Now when Paige runs the query, she will see realistic anonymized data which can be perfectly used for her analysis. Note that the protection is transparent, and Paige did not have to change anything. She'll still be able to deliver her responsibilities, and the organization will be able to achieve its compliance policy. Mage Data does it in a seamless and transparent manner. In this example, we use very simple anonymization rules for this particular use case or business driver. For other, more complex requirements, Mage Data is very flexible and seamlessly provides realistic masking, context-preserving encryption, as well as conditional masking. Mage Data also enables similar rules across enterprise data platforms. Please contact Mage Data for additional information. Thank you.